Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to teach you how you can stop the Windows 10 automatic updates on your system. There are just 3 simple steps through which you can stop the automatic updates on your Windows 10. So kindly follow these steps. Firstly, you need to go to the settings and then click updates the security. So now if you want to stop the Windows 10 automatic updates for 7 days, then you can select this option. But if you want to extend the updates for more than 7 days, then go to the advanced options and then select from these days. Okay, it can extend the update date up to 30 days, but that's not the permanent solution. If you want to stop the updates permanently on your Windows 10 system, then you can go to the edit group policy, and then you need to select the administrative templates, and here's the Windows components. Okay, so after this you need to go to the Windows update and then select this option, configure automatic updates. Okay, so here you can see that I have selected the disabled option. By default this is not configured, so you need to select the disabled option and then apply and OK. So after following this step, you can easily stop the Windows 10 automatic updates on your system. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, so kindly share it with your friends who are seeking help to stop the Windows 10 automatic updates, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.